Hello everyone! Today, we're going to solve a math problem that many people often get wrong. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what topics you'd like to see in future videos by leaving a comment below. First off, it's crucial to understand the order of operations in mathematics. Here's the sequence. First, operations inside parentheses. Next, exponents. Then, multiplication and division, from left to right. And finally, addition and subtraction, from left to right. Our question includes subtraction, multiplication, and addition. Multiplication is done first. 8 times 8 equals 64. Let's rewrite the operation. Now we have subtraction operations. We'll start from the beginning. 8 minus 64 equals minus 56. In our final operation, we'll multiply minus 56 by minus 8. This makes the answer minus 64. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to find the answer. I'll solve it in just 5 seconds. I'm solving it. Feel free to follow along. Solve this question and write your answer in the comments. I hope you understood the solution. To support me and help me continue making content like this, please like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.